Okay, hey, this is a 1999 Pontiac Grand Prix. Ever have it where the turn signals come on, but kind of just stay on, but it's not the bulb? So you've confirmed the bulbs are good, but it's an intermittent nothing. When you actually just turn the lever, nothing happens. So what I've done is I've actually just confirmed it's actually the flasher, which lives down here. So we got the front kick panel, bottom dash panel, not the kick panel, off under here, a couple 7mm bolts, and you can actually get at this flasher right here. So it lives back up in there, right in between this one and the other one up there, which isn't focusing. So it lives right in between that one and the one down below. So it's actually right here, but it was only doing it not working. Sometimes it will work fine, sometimes it will not work at all when it's cold. So it's pretty cold still. It's about 32 Fahrenheit yet this morning. So you go to click that thing on, nothing happens. I'm gonna come down here and just give this a little tap. Now it's sort of not working at all, a little bit when I'm pressing on it. I'm just putting some pressure on this. Give it a little tap. It's just worn out in there. So what we're gonna do is just unplug it here, and we're going to go ahead with the AC DELCO. Here's the AC DELCO part number, 124-50054. Here's the one that was in there. I just wanted to actually just confirm 100% this is what it is. And here's what you get. This one is made in the USA by Siemens, and this one is made by Potter and Brumfield. So we're going to replace it. All right, we're going to hook this up here, and it should just kick on right away. There you go. Not holding it, not touching it, not anything. So now we can reassemble, put this guy back up in its home up there. This back little just slides on. You can really not really see it right above there, right above that other relay, but it just slides and sits up in there. And we'll put these back on, 7mm. Here's a lock, a little electrical lock, and we are good to go. So that's how to fix your intermittently not flashing but sometimes flashing blinkers on your old Pontiac that actually still has a flasher. There you go. It's a common issue too with it's actually built into some of the early 2000s where they had the flasher piece built into the signal, the emergency flasher signal in the dash on like Impalas and some of the other GM models. But if you got a Pontiac, change out the flasher, put in an OE style, and maybe she'll last another 19 years or 160,000 miles, and we'll call it good to go. Alright, so there it is, back up in its home. It's not this one, but it's actually this one here. So there's the top one, the middle one is completely black, and then this bottom relay. So it's actually sitting right down back in its happy home right there. You can see there's 2 gray relays now. In the middle is the black black relay, black connector. That is the flasher. So that's where it lives. Just slides on and off that little prog thing, and it's back up in its home. We can button this up and call it a day. But linkers, put the key in. The Fix.